welcome back to my channel. My name is Ntepi Mashego, and I'd like to give you a very warm, sparkly and bright welcome. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone that viewed my video, my first YouTube video. I must be quite honest, it's intimidating to be on this platform, but it's one of those things we need to literally take ourselves out of our comfort zones and learn how to do things differently, learn how to communicate on different platforms so that we can become better. Anyway, so in today's video I have decided to do a mini tutorial on how to create your own personalized email signature, specifically for the Gmail app. We'll be using the Microsoft Word app so that we can incorporate whatever we're going to create there into our Gmail account. I mean our Gmail, your Gmail account using the Gmail app. Hope I'm making sense. Anyway, so the reason why I've decided to do a video and put it on YouTube, specifically on how to create your email signatures, because just the other day when I needed to do my own email signature, I just shot straight into my Word app and I was like, no, I'm gonna create it. Didn't it take me 3 hours for something that literally takes 10 minutes? And this was before I could even go on the internet to search how to create your own email signature. So I was like, no, this sounds easy, plus Tina's no independence, I'm gonna do this. It took me 3 hours, 3 good hours that I wasted on just something that can be done in 10 minutes. So the reason I'm creating this video is so that I can help someone who's like me, someone who prefers to do things for themselves. And I have to mention that I have help from a very good friend of mine who's a graphics designer, but because they're daydreaming, I feel like I can do this on my own. But I wasted time and I want to save you time. So this is just the how-to, the step-by-steps on how to create your email signature. If you happen to know additional information, please drop your comments on the comment box below so that we can learn also other features that we can incorporate into our email signatures. Anyway, have fun. And so you're going to locate your web browser, open your web browser, and then select the account that you want to create your email signature for. So in this case, just for the purpose of this video, I'll be creating one for Akere. And then you must open your settings tab. It's on the right top corner of your monitor. Tap on it and then open see all settings. And then you're going to scroll down. So under the general tab over here, you're going to scroll down. And there you go. On the signature feature, that's the one we'll be working on. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create, you label it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna label this one Akere's tutorial, and then you create. Once you have created your new signature, you're going to work on a clean slate, or on a clean tab, whatever we call it. And this is the point whereby you're going to go to your Word app. You open your Word app, and then this is where the real work is, but it's very easy. So what you're going to do, you're going to insert your table. For the purpose of this video, let's just do like 3 lines or 3 rows, that is. And on your first row, you want to include your personal details. So for instance, Ntepi Mashego, and then your email. No. before your email, actually, you should mention your position. Say you are you're a consultant, and your cell, um, 02 06 000. Cool. And then your email address, oxpeckeradri@gmail.com. Awesome. So those are your general details, and then what I suggest you do, leave a space there, because that's where you're going to include your social media links. On your second row, this is where you're going to insert your logo. So for now, we're going to leave that open. We'll come back to it. So we're going to go to the last row, which is where you're going to insert the disclaimer of your email. So it's very important to have an email disclaimer, because what that does, it helps you, or it protects you as the sender of the email. It protects you from malicious acts like copying and viruses and whatnot. But simply search on the website for disclaimers templates, and then copy it and edit it according to your company's policies. Okay, cool. There you have it. So here you'll be inserting your logo. Sorry, I'm gonna go. Insert your logo. Obviously, you're going to resize it because that's not it's too big. That's fair enough, right? Cool. And then you're going to not exclude, but what you're going to do is just to erase the borders of your table, because you don't want it to show. So you just choose no border, and then you copy, and then you go open your email account tab, and then you simply paste what you created. There you go. So the information that you've created on your Word app, you have copied it onto your signature tab, or your signature tab. So now remember, when we did include the logo when we were creating our email signature using the Word app. So but immediately when you copy and paste it on your signature, it doesn't appear. So you are simply going to use the function to insert image, and then you upload it. This is how you ensure that your logo, or whatever image that is you want to include into your email signature, appears. So there you have it, and then we're going to resize it to medium size. Just resize it to a acceptable image size for your email signature. There you have it. The logo has been included, and remember that space that I left just underneath the email address, that's where we're going to include our social media links. So you're going to use an icon. Okay, so let's start with LinkedIn. So there you have the logo, and then for your recipient to easily navigate your LinkedIn profile, this is what you're going to do. You open your LinkedIn and then you simply copy your URL, and then you go back to your settings and then you use the link function. To what URL should this go? You simply paste it and you say okay, and there you have it. It is linked. And then now we're going to our second social media page, which our Instagram logo. Just gonna give it time. There it is. Okay, just excuse the techiness but this is just for the purpose of this video and so that we also save time. So you link the page that you want your logo to be linked to. We copy the link, then we go back to settings, and then we use the link function, simply paste it, and there you have it. And you are done creating your email signature. So what we're going to do is simply going to scroll down. Okay, we're simply going to scroll down and then you save changes. Yes, however, just one more thing that I forgot, because I've been using this current email signature, so just so you see how it appears, Oxpacker's tutorial, you want to now include this new created email signature for your emails that you'll be creating going forward. So you're going to select this option that your default signature must be the Oxpacker's tutorial, and then you save changes. So now we're going to test how it looks like. We're going to send it to the other account and we say testing signature or testing email signature. That makes a little bit more sense. And then we're like, hi other account, just seeing how our new signature looks. Regards. There you go. And then we simply send it, and so that's how your email signature will look. And yeah, this is just the steps on how to create it. So once you are accustomed with the steps, then you can now alter how it looks. You can move the logo anywhere else you want to move it. You can use different fonts, different colors to make it as personal as possible, but keep it as professional as possible as well. So just one more thing to mention with the logos, you see if I click on it, then it takes me directly to that Instagram page or social page that we spoke about. So that's how you create your email signature for your Gmail account. And there you have it, guys. I'm sure you didn't think it was this simple, right? Or maybe I'm the only one who took the long route. Anyway, so that's how you create your own personalized email signature using the Gmail app. I hope this video was of use to you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with people that might find help in watching it, because a lot of people use their Gmail accounts for their own small businesses. So simply share it, forward it to people that may find it useful. Anyway, hope to see you on the next video. Until then, stay kind, stay nice, stay awesome, stay bright.